When you visit hotels or even apartment clubhouses around the country, I feel like one of the most common themes is everybody has art that you practically could buy in a mall. Our desire is to create something that is more memorable and authentic. We were on a manager's retreat in Santa Fe. A couple of us walked into a gallery. We saw a picture that maybe from a distance you would think is a flag, but as you approach the picture, you realize you were looking at rows of flowers. Upon inquiring at the gallery who took this picture, we were introduced to a gentleman named Donn Delson out of Los Angeles, California. And needless to say, that's turned into a friendship. Since meeting Donn Delson and his work in Santa Fe 5-6 years ago, we've introduced a piece of his art into every single clubhouse. It really has become a design element. When we approach the design companies about these clubhouses, one of the primary scopes that we put in front of them is you're going to put a Donn piece in this clubhouse and it's going to feel like it's part of your overall theme.